Hi friends, I welcome you all for the channel of your UPSC friend. In this video, let's see regarding the recent judgment of Supreme Court, that is regarding the disabled or entitled to the same benefits of SC or ST quota, that is regarding the scheduled caste or scheduled tribes quota. This topic comes under GS paper 2 under Indian Constitution and also regarding the issues related to disability. Recently, Supreme Court of India observed that the persons suffering from disabilities are also socially backward and entitled to the same benefits of relaxation as scheduled caste or scheduled tribe candidates in the public employment and education. This judgment came in the backdrop of, that is regarding the petition filed by Aryan Raj, a special needs person, against a Punjab and Haryana High Court order. What was the case regarding? This person Aryan Raj was denied the relaxation in minimum qualifying marks in relating to the painting and applied art courses in the Government College of Arts in Chandigarh. The college insisted that disabled person also needs to get minimum 40% under the general qualifying standard in aptitude test, whereas SC or ST candidates were given the relaxation to 35%. In the Anmol Bhandari versus Delhi Technological University case of 2012, the Delhi High Court held that people suffering from disabilities are also socially backward and are therefore at the very least, and they are entitled to the same benefits as given to the scheduled caste or scheduled tribe candidates. And also it also upheld that is the Delhi High Court judgment upheld that the new academic courses should be designed to specifically cater to the needs of intellectually disabled person. Now let's see the benefits to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe category people. Under Article 15 Class 4, its Constitution empowers the state to make special provisions for the advancement of SCs and STs by giving fee concession in admissions to educational institutions. Under Article 15 Class 5, Constitution empowers states to reserve the seats for SCs and STs in admission to the educational institutions, including private educational institutions, whether aided or unaided by the state. However, it excludes the minority educational institutions which are referred under Article 30 Class 1. And also in Article 16 Class 4, Constitution empowers the state to make provisions for the reservation of appointments or posts in favor of SCs and STs. There are some major initiatives taken by the Government of India for the disabled persons. First, Right to Persons with Disabilities Act 2016. Under this, persons with disabilities are provided the reservation of seats in government higher educational institution, but the minimum percentage should not be less than 5%, and also in the government jobs it is also should not be less than 4%. The second initiative is regarding the Accessible India campaign and Deen Dayal Disabled Rehabilitation Scheme. Fourth, assistance to disabled persons for purchase or fitting of aids and appliances. Fifth, National Fellowship for Students with Disabilities. And the last, the schemes of National Trust for the Welfare of Persons with Autism, Cerebral Palsy, Mental Retardation and Multiple Disabilities. This is all regarding the disabled are entitled to same benefits of SCs or ST quota. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.